Hey everyone, so today we're going to be doing a look that is going to end up like this. And it's a mixture between gold and silver, and it's really fun and really pretty. So I'm just going to do this eye and then put foundation on, and then we're going to do like baby pink lips with this look, and it is really pretty. So I think you guys are going to like it. First step is to prime your eyelid, and you can use, concealer, you can use paint pot, Urban Decay primer potion, and you're just going to put that all over the lid, which I've already done, but I'm just going to touch it up a little. So that's what you get, and this is going to act as our base. Then what you're going to do is take a fluff brush. I'm using 217, trying to wipe it off. And we're going to use the Solar Bits in Bronescape. And it's a really pretty bronzy gold color, so if you don't have this, you can use a different color that looks like that. And lightly put it on my brush, and then the trick with these is that you just need to lightly swipe it. Not pack on the color, because that was my problem to begin with, is that I was just packing on the color and mixing it with Fix Plus, and it just made it so intense and so chunky, it looked awful. So the key again with these is just light, airy movements. So then you get something like that. Next we're going to use NYX Black, or you can use Carbon, whatever. And we're just going to lightly build up the color in the crease on the corner. We're not going to go in very far. Something like that. The Solar Bits have attacked. They're really a pain to work with, so I have lots of fallout right now. So then we're going to use, for our highlight, just use any highlight brush that you want, and then I'm going to be using Shroom. It's just a nice color that goes with anything, and I love it for that. And we'll blend out the black a little bit, clean it up. So I at least somewhat match my other side. Perfect. So there's that so far. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to use like a thick brush for the bottom. We're going to apply Silver Ring, which is a gorgeous silver. It's my favorite silver of all time. I have 2 of them. Okay, wrong eye. Let's do this eye. So we're just going to go all the way underneath. Kind of blend it into that black a little. Pull it out. And I have lots in my eye that's already irritated, so that sucks. So you get something like that. Then I'm going to use a color from fyrinnae. You can use just a lighter silver or whatever. I'm going to use this color. It's like light blue, purple, kind of, and just very light amount, hardly any at all. Put it on top of the silver. It's going to make it a little bit more pastel-y. Just a little bit. Okay. Then what we're going to do is going to apply my favorite glitter, 3D Silver. I'm going to use a little bit of Fix Plus, spray it on the back of my hand, put my brush into it, and then dip it into the glitter. And just apply that very lightly and evenly, close to the lash line. We don't want to, you know, go too crazy with this. And seriously, look at that. It's the most amazing glitter of all time. I'm convinced. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to rim our eyes on the waterline. Now you can opt to put black eyeliner on top. I think it draws attention to the fact that my eyes aren't the same size. So I just like to do the waterline until my eye goes back to normal. If it ever does. So like that. Then we're going to apply mascara. I'm using what I always use, Zoomlash. And this is how I apply my mascara. As I look down. Okay everyone, so I'm back and I put my foundation on. I use Studio Mist Foundation in Light and the Mineralize Skinfinish in Natural. Then I'm going to use some bronzing powder. Now we want to go really light on the cheeks because we're focusing in the eyes. Down the nose. Then focus on your temples with the bronzing powder. And you could use just bronzing powder as your blush. I'm going to use Spaced Out Neo Sci-Fi Collection because this has been like my favorite blush ever. And anyway, it's like neutral, excuse me, neutral peachy color. Just real light. We don't want to go too much because, like I said, we don't want to focus on the cheeks, we want to focus on the eyes. The bronzing powder to kind of contour. For highlight, I'm going to use from the Faffy collection, Vervacious. It's just real light and sparkly and fun. For lips, we're going to be using Viva Glam 6 Special Edition. It's a baby pink. And I put concealer on my lips so it would neutralize any color. Eyebrows, crazy. Okay, and that's the look. See if you guys can see it better. Thanks for watching.